Hi guys, welcome back to another nail therapy video. Today I'll be doing these chrome hearts inspired nails that I've been seeing all over Pinterest, and yeah, let's get started. So I already removed all of my nails and I just need to do a fill-in because I have UV gel on. So I'm just pushing back my cuticles using cuticle remover. I feel like this one is the best because it really does a good job softening up my cuticles. And then I just wipe off all the cuticle before using the nipper to fully remove the cuticles. I feel like if I don't do it with a paper towel first, too much skin comes off. So it gets kind of gross, but I'm just buffing up the nails after that. And then I'm using my favorite nail prep duo from D-Gel. So I just apply it on the natural nails. If you're already starting off with the natural nails, just put it on top of your full natural nails. But since I have UV gel on, I'm only putting it on the parts that are grown out. And first I use the nail prep and then I use the nail bonder. Next, I'm using the Jinbee Cooler Builder Gel. I love the brand Jinbee. It's like a Korean brand, but they have such good nail products. You should definitely check it out if you do your own nails a lot. But I think in my last video, I mentioned that I use the IBD Builder Gel and it heats up and it burns my nails sometimes. But this one is supposed to not burn. I feel like people who have weaker nails, it kind of does burn for them, but it's not as bad as other builder gels that I've tried. So I'm really glad I found this product. So I only apply that on the tips and then I cure. This builder gel is a little thicker, well, a lot thicker than the IBD one, which I actually like because it doesn't flow down too much. After I cure that, I just file off any brush marks. Next, I'm using the base gel from Gracia, and this is my favorite base gel ever. I feel like after using the nail prep duo and then the base gel, like my nails last so long. And I think this is a Japanese gel, but it's so good, guys. You guys should definitely try this. And then I'm using this gel color from Born Pretty. It's basically like a very like clearish, pinkish, beige color. I'm using only one layer of it because I want the base to be like very clear. So how I cure is usually with any gel like base gel, UV gel, color gel, I apply one coat to one finger and then I cure for like 3 seconds so that it kind of hardens, and then I go on to the next nail. So this does take a very long time, but it really makes sure that nothing is bleeding through the cuticle area or on the sides. And then I'm using like this light pink gel to make like the French tip. And at first it looks kind of white, but then after I apply another layer, it got kind of like very light pink, and I really love this color. And then I'm using the clear fix gel from Jinbei, and I'm just applying like the Chrome Hearts charms that I got on Amazon. I'll link it down below, but I get like most of my nail charms from Amazon. Actually, they actually have like a lot of different charms, and it comes really quick, so I love that about Amazon. But yeah, I just followed this nail design that I found on Pinterest. It was showing up a lot on my Pinterest page, so I wanted to try it. I had like a similar design but in black, but I didn't really like the black one that much because I don't think black looks good on me. So yeah, but I'm really happy about how this one came out. And then I'm just topping that off with the crazy top gel from Jinbei. And basically I apply a thick layer of the top gel to secure everything in place, and this is such a good product. Everybody that I do nails for, they love it. So yeah, and I just cure that, and that is it for the nails. I'm also getting my own studio in New York City, so if you guys are based in New York, you guys should definitely book me for your next nail appointment. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. I'm gonna be vlogging everything. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next nail therapy video. Bye!